I put the recipe amount of water in it, and I'll keep that in the fridge overnight. And then keeping it rices from California. Most of rices from California. And then other things that nowadays you can worry about is you can use anything you have in the house to make different kind of things. And then